Welcome to my YouTube channel. As you all know, this is Alechi Visuals. If you are just coming across this channel for the first time, please subscribe, like, comment and share this video so others can also see and learn from it. Okay, in today's version of our tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to save your camera raw filters. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive in. Okay, the first step you are going to take is to duplicate your layer with your Ctrl+J. For if you are using Windows, duplicate your layer with your Ctrl+J. Duplicate your layer with your Ctrl+J. Then you go to your filter. You go to camera raw filter. Okay, when you come to your camera raw filter, this is where you do all the work, right? This is where you do all the work. Now, you can actually, let's say you want to color grade this image. Now, the first thing I want to do is reduce my saturation, reduce my highlights a little, then increase my white and reduce my blacks. You understand? To give us that detail. Now, let's say we are doing all this. I'm just doing it like this for the sake of this tutorial. You can actually do that. I know by now most of you might know how to color grade your images, and if you don't know how to color grade your image, then you can actually check out I posted a video on color grading, so you can check it out. So after fixing everything, you go there, you click on these three dots here, then you click on save settings. Then you click on save. Now you have to locate. Now if you just save it, it will save to Adobe camera raw settings. Now you have to locate to, before now you will prepare a folder that you want it to be. Now you have to locate the folder that you created. Now I'll go to my desktop, I'll go to my folder. Now you see here, this is my folder, my camera raw filters. Now you go there. Now you rename it, let's say test, or let me say tutorial. So I'll just save it there. I'll just open, then I'll just save. Now this is it. You have already saved. Now if you want to use these settings, now let's go back. Let's cancel and go back to our camera raw again. Now if you want to load these settings, you go back to these three dots again. Then you click on settings. Down you locate. Look at it. You click there and click on open. Can you see it? It has added, it has loaded automatically. Now let's see, this is the before and this is the after. So thank you. If you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button, like and comment. Also share so that others can learn from it. Thank you, and I will need your review. Put what you think about this video in the comment section. I'll be replying to your comments. Thank you, and once again, this is Alechi Visuals. Thank you for sticking with us throughout this video. Thank you. Do have a nice day.